The crisis has not yet peaked in Italy, but in Lombardy, frontline healthcare is already on its knees. The laundry room of this hospital is being used to treat patients. Staff working 18-hour shifts, now treating their own colleagues too. A surgeon in Bergamo updated us on the desperate situation.
A progressively increasing number of nurses and doctors get sick and stay at home. Some of them are hospitalized too, and some of them are in the ICU too.
And what would you say to your colleagues in Europe?
To get prepared to shortage of things they would never think could get short of. For example, oxygen. And personal protection devices are stolen. We have to face these problems that we could never imagine before.
Patients strong enough to travel from Lombardy are being brought by helicopter to other areas of the country. Further south, though, there's already strain 2. This doctor shouting to patients in isolation to keep their distance from each other. In just 10 days, this hospital in Rome has been turned into a COVID-19 facility with 180 beds. But if the same crisis levels reach here, it would fill in a day.
I think lockdown would be extended, but I think it would be the safest option. I'm not totally criticizing the UK strategy because it's starting from a very different starting point. We need to hope that that strategy will be successful.
Italy's frontline doctors are known for their brilliance, but barely coping.
We're thinking of you.
Thank you very much. We need it.
Yeah.
And good luck for you too for the future, because it's coming.
Their European neighbours, though, have the benefit of their warnings. Sally Lockwood, Sky News, Rome.